انفارمیشن ہے. Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. Today we'll be visiting Pikes Peak in Colorado. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also watch this video till the end. You will find some pretty amazing views and scenic overlooks from this trip. So our first stop was this water reservoir. This is right at the beginning of the trip. So it has some beautiful views, like you can see the mountains in the background and pretty clear water. So do stop here when you are heading up to Pikes Peak. So we'll continue our journey from here. So here we made a stop to just capture some scenery. Do stick around till end of the video. Once we come down the mountain, the views are spectacular. So just hang around and enjoy. All right, I have finally made it to the top of Pikes Peak. It's 14,000 feet high, and it's pretty chilly up here, and we're also windy. So it's like 20 degree Fahrenheit cooler than when you start driving up here. So it's really cold, and the scenery and the views are really amazing from top here, and you can see some snow in the background as well. And there is a train which also comes up here. It's a cog railway, and here are some amazing views from the top. So they have this terrace up here as well, where you can walk around, and if you're feeling adventurous, you can actually go down onto the rocks to take pictures and videos. My hands were freezing at this point. I was wearing gloves because it was really chilly up here, and coming from Texas, from where the weather was like in 90 degree Fahrenheit, and here up top it's like 35 degrees at the moment. So I did not dare to take my hands out of the glove. And you can see the train as well. This is the cog railway, which starts from the bottom of the hill. It's from Monitor Springs, and you can ride it up here. It's a different kind of railway than usual. I'll show you the pattern or the tracks it takes to come up here in a second while you enjoy these views. They do have this building up here where you can go learn about the Pikes Peak and also eat. There are some restaurants in there. Also, this is the train. It's pretty modern train, and it has big windows for you to see scenery around or views. And this is the cog railway, so you can see these comb-like structure on the tracks. That's how this train holds and moves up the hill, which is different than the traditional railway. This is one of the old structures up here, probably the old ranger's post, and there's the modernized building. And here are some more views when you come out of the building. Also, be mindful of altitude sickness. It can make you dizzy or feeling pukey. So make sure you drink a lot of water when you're up here, and also bring sunscreen if it's a sunny day, because you can get sunburn. Overall, this is a really good place to be during the summer or in the winter or fall. And here me at the summit, and now we are gonna head back. Make sure to watch this video from this point on till the very end, because the views now will be spectacular as we go down the mountain. We are going really slow because of slope and we don't want our brakes to catch fire. So you will get to see more of the scenery and the views on the way down. We just stopped here for a scenic overlook and you can see behind me the views, and it was pretty amazing trip up Pikes Peak. So there are some more videos after this, but continue to watch it, and please do like and share and subscribe to my channel, so I can bring more videos like this from my future travel. Thanks. Alright, this marks the end of this trip to Pikes Peak. Please do like this video, share it, and also subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.